Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare a very tasty ladies finger curry. For the recipe, pour some oil in a pan. Here for the recipe I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add around 15 to 20 ladies fingers. Saute them until the ladies fingers turn little crispy. Here the ladies fingers are non-sticky and little crispy, we can take it out. Now take another pan and add some sesame oil in it. Here I am using Idayam sesame oil. To this add 1 chopped onion. Saute this well until it turns translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add few curry leaves. And a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You have to saute this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Once done, we can add the masalas. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, let us add the fried ladies fingers. To this, add the required amount of salt. To this, add a cup of curd. Give a nice mix. You have to stir this and cook until the oil gets separated. You can now see the oil on the top of the curry. So the oil got separated. Our curry is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving plate. This is the best combination for almost everything. You can have this with idli, dosa, chapati and even rice. Do give a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.